In Bryce Canyon, you will see red, white, and orange towers of iron-rich shale sandstone. President Grant made it a national park in 1875. There are a lot of animals, landforms, and fun things to do in the national park. Here are some interesting facts about animals in Bryce Canyon. The mountain lion once roamed throughout North America, but today their range is British Columbia and Alberta, Canada. The rattlesnake's scales are large and like a needle and can cut you if you pick it up or touch it. The California condor is the biggest bird of prey in North America, but it is not the biggest bird in North America. The biggest bird in North America is the Canis buccinator. Those are some interesting facts about animals in Bryce Canyon National Park. There are a lot of interesting landforms in Bryce Canyon. The mystical shapes of hoodoos inspire imagination and intrigue. The pink cliffs are named according to the dominant rock color. Bryce Point is the most famous and gives the best perspective. Those are some interesting landforms in Bryce Canyon. These are some things to do in Bryce Canyon. In Bryce Canyon, you can take a 4 to 2 hours horseback ride through the canyon. In the winter, you can snowshoe or cross-country ski the Plateau. You can take a hike across the ledge of the canyon. These are some things to do in Bryce Canyon. As you can see, Bryce Canyon is a beautiful place to visit. The scenery attracts many tourists every year, so start packing your bags because when you get there, you won't want to leave.